Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how you can format numbers and date in Excel. Okay, so let's start with it. Uh, as you can see, under the number section, you have these lot of options. Okay, and you can use these options to increase or decrease decimal places. You can add a comma separator, and you can change the currency type or date type, and we'll see it one by one. First, we'll see how you can increase or decrease decimal places. Okay, as you can see here, I've written some numbers here like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. I'll just show you how you can increase or decrease decimal places. You can do that by using these two icons. If you want to increase, you can use the one with the left arrow mark. See, I've clicked it twice, and as you can see, I have two decimal places increased. Okay, now if you want to reduce it back, I'll use the other icon. Okay, and you can do the same formatting using the format cell window. You can get the format cell window by selecting this particular icon here. Once you click, the format cell window opens, and in that, under the category, number should be selected, and here the decimal places, you can give how many decimal places you want. Okay, so I'll just give 3 for example, and I'll click OK. As you can see here, it has 3 decimal places, 3 decimal points. Okay, so you can use these options to as per your needs, and the next one is how you can add a comma separator. Okay, and as I said, one moment, these are like 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. Okay, it would be better if you add a separator for thousands. Okay, you can do that by selecting this icon, comma style. Okay, once I click this, you see there is a comma for every thousands. Okay, this gives a clear indication for the viewers that like how many thousands, it'll be easy for them to understand the data well. Okay, and the next is I'll show you how you can change the currency type. Okay, as you can see here, I've written some amount like 10, 15, 20 and 105, 105. I'll show you how you can add a currency before the number. You can select these cells which you want to edit, and you can use this icon. Once you click this down arrow mark, a list comes out, and from this you can select either you want to add a Indian rupee sign or a US dollars or a UK pound or a euro. Okay, I'll just add a UK pound. As you can see, a pound's symbol is there in front of the number. If I want to change it to US dollars, I can do that. All I need to do is repeat the steps and select United States dollar. See, the pound symbol has changed to dollar symbol. Okay, and next I'll show you how you can change the date type. Okay, as you can see, I have some 3 dates. The format of this date is like, first I have the date, then I have the month, then I have the year. Okay, I can change this by selecting it, go to the format cell window. You can use a keyboard shortcut to get that window, that is by using Ctrl+1. Okay, when you press Ctrl+1, you get the format cell window. This is a shortcut for it, and in that select date, and on the right hand side under type you will see there are a lot of options in which way you want to view the date. As I'll just select this, where the year comes first, then the month, and after that the date. Okay, I'll select this and I'll click OK. As you can see, the date format has been changed. Okay, so that's about it, and hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please do share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next video with another content. Thanks a lot.